Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Kingdom Come: Deliverance 2 crashing on your PC. The first thing you should do is restart your computer. This clears temporary files stored in RAM and closes background processes that may be interfering with the game. If the problem continues, verify the game files through Steam. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click Kingdom Come: Deliverance 2 and select Properties. Open the Installed Files tab, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and automatically replace any missing or corrupted files. Another common cause of crashes is background overlays. Disable overlays from applications such as Discord, Steam, and the Xbox Game Bar. You should also make sure your graphics driver and Windows are fully up to date, as updates often include fixes for game crashes and performance problems. Thanks for watching.